In this tutorial, I want to look at setting up or modifying an existing template. So your templates are found in program files, Siemens, Solid Edge, whichever version you're using, template. I use the isometric version, but there are many different formats that you may use. So I have taken the standard draft template and done some modifications and saved it back as my own one. So if we open that up, and if I go to the View tab, we turn on their background sheets, you can see that I've got the four major ones. They are all landscape. So maybe if I want to add in an option for a portrait version, I can right mouse click down here and go Insert and rename A3P and go OK. You'll notice that the background watermark is shown just to make sure that you're not drawing on the actual sheet. So if I double click on the tab name, I can change the size. So we want an A3 tool. And to make life easier, I could probably take this sort of information and copy it with Control C and paste it back in here somewhere. I'm just going to paste it off to the side here. I'll come back and get that later. So now the trick is how to put your border line in. So if we go to the sketching tab, go to line, and I'll start placing here somewhere. So just if you're not sure, you can always go back. So 297 by 420. So it's 420 high. So if we want a 10 mil gap each side, we want it starting at 10 and being 400 long. So I can click on here, go to right mouse click, go to properties, and in here we have the actual X and Y coordinates based from the bottom edge corner here. So start point can be 10 by 10 and endpoint is 10 by 410. So that then positions that in the correct location. Then from there we can then just draw in the rest of it. So 277 long, and we can close this off here like so. So then we want to copy certain parts of this, and we can move make sure the copy is turned off. So I want to go from there and place that in down here. And then likewise, I could take that portion and again use the move command, drop that in on there. So then we've got some information that's missing, which we might want to readjust. If I take that and move that off, I can then sort of pick this up, and again using the move I can reposition this into here, and I can take this line. I want to use the extenter next, as the case may be. Need to remove that line there, and then I can copy some of this other stuff down. Easier to use the move command. So I'll just drop it there because obviously I want to resize some of this. So I will take these two items and I will move them. So I'm just using the control to select the item, and then I can take this and once again do the move. So we just need to trim these two back, and we now have our new sheet. So once you've finished, you can then go back to your View tab and turn off the background sheets. It's always good to do it this way. If you have created this as your new template, you've copied an existing one, you need to do a file save as back into that same directory. The other thing that is probably always good to do is to make sure that you've got it fitted to the page, so that when you save, it then comes back, and set it up so that the first sheet is the most typical size that you use. So hopefully this is useful for setting up your Solid Edge templates.